is my first ever video, and today I'm going to be doing some 5 minutes makeup. So let's get to it, and comment down below if you like it and give me positive thoughts because this is my first ever video. So first of all, I'm going to be using this cooling setting spray, and I got this from Primark. So I'm just going to spray it all around my face, and because I have a little face, I'm going to spray 2 pumps on each side. So 1, 2. There. So now I'm just going to flatten out. And as you can see, I have got all my makeup down here. I have got more makeup, but like I said, I'm doing 5 minutes makeup. So now I've just did that. I've just did my setting spray. I'm going to move on to my foundation, which takes quite a while. So just saying, I'm going to use this Rimmel London Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation, and it's like porcelain. So I'm going to put 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, and then 3 on here. Okay? So let's get to it. So I've did my foundation, and just to say, I put one more stroke of that on. One stroke of foundation on there. So I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on my eyelids because I'm not going to put any eyeshadow on today because it's just basic. This part doesn't take long. So I'm just putting 2 dots on each eyelid. And I'm going to take my finger because my brush is way too big and just slightly pat it. Just saying, I've got a mirror right there, so sorry if I go. So now I've did that, I'm going to move on to my powder, and this is a Workout Porcelain, and this was £2.50 from Primark, and this is No Sweat, Sweet Sweat Resident Mattifying Face Powder, and yes, it does say mattifying. You see the M. So I'm going to take this big fluffy brush. This is PS, so basically from Primark again, because I normally get most of my makeup from Primark because that's like the cheapest thing. So I'm just going to put this powder. So I'm just going to put this powder all around my face and on my neck. So let's get to it. Because I've done my powder, I'm going to move on to my highlighter and contour. And I've got this from Claire's. And Claire's isn't the cheapest for makeup. So I've only got like one thing from Claire's, I think, in my whole entire makeup. So I'm going to use my contour brush and my highlighter brush. And also in here they have blusher and powder. I'm going to use a tiny bit of powder on my cheeks. I don't like Claire's blusher because blusher don't suit me, and their their blusher is like a bit too rosy. So for the main thing, contour and highlighter. So I'm using that highlighter there. And then ignore that contour. I'm going to use a mixture of those two, because this one just makes you look like really orangey. And don't like it. So I'm using these two with my contour brush. So if you're like me, you can put 2 strokes of, it's a bit sunny. You can put 2 strokes of highlighter here Because if you're like me and you love to shine, that's like me. And then you put some right here. You don't put it on the ball because, yeah. Put some there, and there. Okay? And if you want, you can put some right there on the corners of your eyebrows. There. So now I'm going to use this Lashlatic False Liquid Lashes. And this is mascara, the blackest of black. Don't think it's the blackest. I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes. So some people say it's easier, like half open and half sleepy. Some people say it's easier blinking. But I just open my eye and hope for the best. And the other side. And if you want, you can put some on your lower lashes. And if you want, if you feel like it's when under or over, you can check in a mirror. I've got one here in my powder. Mine's gone a bit dodgy underneath and over. So I'm going to take a little bit of foundation. Just apply it to my finger. And under and over. It might look worse, but then when you go in like with more foundation, it will like go if you put like lots. Or you can use a simple technique, a wipe. So let me just get a bit more foundation from my top. Perfect. So now because I put highlighter on my eyebrow, in the corner of my eyebrow, I'm just going to apply that again. Perfect. So, sorry if you can hear the background.
Oh, I just felt my bucket empty a little bit more.
And there's like something underneath, because I just literally smudged it again. I don't know why, but I keep on smudging my mascara. I'm just like really bad at mascara. And tiny bit under here and here. I've got the top bit really easily. And under here. Same again, I put a highlighter in the corners of my eyebrow. So that's where I'm going to be putting my highlighter. Perfect. So now I've did all of that, I'm going to move on to my last thing, my lipstick. But then what people do, they get their setting spray and spray it all around their face again and then put their lipstick on. But I like to spray, apply, and then spray again. So it keeps up. So let me do that. When I put my makeup on, I do 3. But when I start to put my makeup on, I do 2. So now I'm just going to apply my lipstick, which is this bright pink. It is really bright. And this is a push-on one. So basically you just push it and then it opens. Most of my makeup here is from Primark, except from my Claire's contour palette my mascara, because this is from B&M, guys. I'm like so pleased, and it lasts me like a whole year because I bought it like last year. Perfect. So now I've done that, I'm going to go in 2 more sprays. 2. Just one top tip. You might, when you spray your thingamajiggy, your setting spray, you might want to close your eyes, otherwise it might sting. Okay, perfect. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below positive thoughts, because this is my first ever video. So bye!